Premium quality, premium materials. Uh-oh. I had this one. That one was slick. But then I made it better. Oh yeah. See, the thing about it is, they all custom made. They all one of ones. See them? They one of ones. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I didn't make 10 of them. I didn't make 15 of them. I made one, you know? Each one is a one of one. And you can get you a one of one too. Jump in my inbox. You know? You can get you a one of one. Or I'll go even a step further and teach you how to make your own, you know? Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet. You know, jump in my inbox, you know. Check out my Facebook group. Rhinestones Are Us. Yeah. I can teach you how. I can make you one. Make you a custom one with your own specific colors. Whatever you need. And this is just round one. See this money, kush, sex, music, life. You can get that made in any color shirt with any color stone. Any color. Nipsey Hussle I got on right here. It's a one of one. Well, actually, this one is a two of one because my homie got one. He the one chose the colors. Like, you know what I'm saying? So I made me one too. And that go to Nipsey Hussle again right there. But as you can see, this Nipsey Hussle, let's pull it out real quick. Pull it out real quick. This Nipsey Hussle got 2 palm trees. One on that side, one on that side. And it has the Nipsey, it has the collar to his jacket studded and the bottom Hussle studded. The one I got on though, it's got 2 trees studded on that side and another 2 trees studded on that side. So it's got 4 trees studded. Like, you know what I mean? It's got the Nipsey done up here, but then it also has that gold outline. This one down here has the gold outline as well. Like, you know what I mean? Which makes this shirt more premium than the one that's on the bed. You know what I mean? Kind of get us both in the view. This one is a lot more heavier, has a lot more stones, like, you know what I'm saying? And look, I added the birds in there and stuff, so this one I did a little different. It's a one of one. Come fuck with me. Made. Get you, this is just round one. I got enough of these shirts to go at least 15, 20 rounds, like, you know what I'm saying? And this is just my personal collection, you know? Doesn't count the ones that I've sold, which are other one of ones. Go back through my page, check out, you know, the videos, check out the photos. Man, I've put in so much work. Smash that like button and go ahead and press that subscribe. Follow me on this journey of making these awesome shirts. And if you got a vinyl cutter, a heat, you know, I can help you to create one-of-a-kind apparel like this as well. This is Raymond Jones, and I'm signing out.